Around 1990, the China Ordnance Industries Corporation (COIC), a predecessor company to Norinco, purchased the complete rights and all machinery for manufacturing the SB308 Alto from Suzuki. COIC charged for military enterprises with manufacturing the Alto. Chongqing Chang'an, Jilin Jiangbei, Xiantang Jiangnan, and Xi'an Qinchuan were all to switch over to civilian manufacture. Jilin Jiangbei in 1992 produced cars but lost money due to the high price and went into bankruptcy. Xiantang Jiangnan didn't manage to get the car into production. Xi'an Qinchuan suffered a fire in the factory and chose to develop their own project, Chongqing Flyer, that later got bought by BYD, while Chongqing Chang'an first made the car successful in 1992 using just-in-time manufacturing. So in 1993, Changan became leader in the Chinese market for the Suzuki Alto SZ0 second generation. The Changan Suzuki SC780 Alto was produced with the same F8B engine as used in other export markets, and it was replaced only in the S0 design by the facelifted SC7081 Suzuki Alto, City Baby, Little Prince, Happy Prince in 2001. The top-of-the-line Happy Prince discontinued in 2007 used the sportier-looking front bumper, grille and bonnet of the Suzuki Alto works. Because of lower sales and upgrading the design to meet new regulation would not be cost-effective, Changan ended production of the old Suzuki Alto on the 28th of July 2008. A total of 4,861 cars were built by Changan Suzuki between 1993 and 2008.